Let me show you our concert barrier. The StageGuard A-100. Aluminum build, powder-coated gray, solid as it gets. It's trusted by venues all over the country and certified by Clark Testing, that is recognized nationwide. We pushed it through some serious stress tests. It took the hit and came back ready for more. That's why Live Nation's security team approved it for shows across the country. It connects with corners, gates, and cable paths, so your setup fits any stage. Security teams get the rear step for visibility and control, and the transport cart makes loading and setup faster and easier. Sanko Concert Stage Barrier. Tested, certified, and trusted by the biggest names in live entertainment. Our stage barrier is ready when you are. Quote yours today.